Welcome. In front of me I have MIBRO Watch Lite 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to set a custom watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. First, we need to make sure that the devices are paired together. So basically, if you want to set a custom watch face, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the MIBRO Fit application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue and we can open the MIBRO Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, we can tap on device icon. And here you should see your Lite 3 Pro. Tap on the customization right here, the star. And once you see this menu, tap on album watch. And here basically we can set up our custom watch face. We can add the background by tapping on this plus button. It will open the photos basically, and here I'm gonna select collections and maybe download folder. And let's say I want to use one of these pictures, for example this one. And now we need to crop the image because the whole image won't fit on the watch face, but we can zoom in and zoom out, and we can move left and right, up and down. And once you select the part of the picture you want to use, then tap on crop. And here we have a preview. You can change the clock type and the position of the clock. And also you can change the color of the time. It doesn't show you the preview, but basically you can change the color. Let's set it to maybe red. And once you're done customizing your watch face, you can tap on set as current watch face, and the watch face should be applied in a few seconds. So let's just wait. And here we have it. As you can see, it is working. And once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you set a custom watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.